This is
This is the patching. I don't know if we have time for that.
Oh yeah, this is the wrong one.
It's the wrong one too? Well, which one do you
It's supposed to be like a slime, like a bottle, like a green bottle of slime, like liquid.
Oh, you mean the liquid
Yeah, that you squeeze in the.
Oh, straight. Now I'm just gonna. I think I should be able to patch it with this too, right?
What's up, man?
What's good, bro? How you doing?
Man. Came in close with this shit, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, he said he wanted it for the weekend, bro. You got it for the weekend.
No, he was on me, goddammit. He was on me, you know.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie though.
He told me it's a fuel pump. I got on that shit bad.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You even found it. So what? People just sell that shit, or you gotta go aftermarket?
I had to go to Broward. You know how much fucking fuel pump is?
Man, six.
$650, bro.
Just for a little fuel pump, bro.
For that baby ass fuel pump.
A little pump right here.
Bro.
A little fuel pump.
Look at this shit, bro.
I didn't think it was that easy to get though.
That's $650, bro.
Bro, that's it?
No, I did get lucky though, because they only had one in stock.
You would have had to order it.
They told me to. Everyone else had to order it.
But I know he wasn't trying to order. He was trying to ride, so I was like, damn, I know you.
I'm not gonna lie though, but if you ever need parts, so you can just go through him because you know all the connects, bro. I mean, if you do this shit on the daily.
But nah, that's why I'm surprised he found it at Broward Motorsport.
Yeah. Oh, you got that from Broward?
You think I'll be able to patch it
From Broward Motorsport, yeah.
Yeah, Broward, bro.
Surprisingly.
That's what I'm saying,
Got
cause
lucky.
he was like, damn, I want to ride the weekend, but it might come in on a weekday.
You think I'd be able to?
Is that through the
patch it
inside or
inside?
outside?
That's inside.
Yeah, see, that's probably on the inside.
I don't know if it'll hold. Is the problem though? How big is it? Like,
That's what I'm saying, cause it's, you know, as soon as I pump it up, it come out.
oh, you just pumped it up?
Yeah.
Where's the hole at? Can you see it?
Now you can't even really see. It's from like the end.
You can only hear it.
Yeah, the slime. I'm not gonna lie. The slime would probably be more
Slime
better.
feels good?
Yeah.
What you probably do, bro, is take it to the tire shop, bro. They take it off and then put that and then add the slime.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you patch up from outside.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro.
From the outside, no. I mean, this is to patch it from the inside.
From the inside.
You know?
Yeah, bro, what the fuck
I
is
used to
going
work
on?
at
With the
Yeah, well, this nigga-
Oh yeah, he gonna need some new. Yeah, he gonna need new tires on that, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Damn.
Bro, but how the fuck do you do that in the front? Ain't it?
Usually it'd be the back. You right? It'd be the back that.
Yeah, how the fuck? It's not four-wheel drive. It's
Nah,
not
yeah, this two
How
wheel.
the fuck you doing
That's
that?
what I'm saying. What the fuck
He got, that's what I know. He rides out.
Yeah, he be
He's in the streets.
strictly
Yeah, bro, you can tell that shit.
Streets.
from Navies to.
Michael, is this one you used to have? The Honda?
That's 450, right?
Oh yeah, you say you had TRS 450. Okay.
Yeah. My shit was pretty good. My
Bro,
shit was
this-
slow. It was like
You had your- I know you-
race. They had it to race.
You took care of it real good.
Yeah, they had it to race. It was fire.
Was
This
squatted?
one- Yeah, it was squatted. It was a little bit more.
Oh yeah, this one more
Yeah, this was proper like.
normal a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, yeah. I see you out here teaching people how to wheel it, bro.
Oh yeah, I be doing a little training with him.
You have to teach me, bro.
Oh, you want to learn?
Yeah, I want to learn.
Alright, let's start.
Oh yeah,
Not
you
sure.
could.
Four-wheeler's easier to.
Oh, you put the back on too?
Oh yeah, the try to put it at. I think it's a little leak. So it's like a little, like the muffler or something, like shaking. I hear. Yeah, like that muffler or something.
Yeah.
But it's not loose though now.
What do you think is that little lag in the throttle? What is that? Is that spark?
Well, I'm not gonna lie.
Spark plug, is it?
700s, like, do that. You have to put a power command on the 700
No shit.
to give it that direct punch.
No shit.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, 700s, they come doing that with that little lag.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put that power command up, it's gonna give that throttle direct punch. Yeah, I hear like that little rattling shit. I was looking at it, nothing not loose.
Bro, it sounds like it's in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not.
It sounds like it's in
So
there.
fucking
Inside of the I know it would irritate me. I was trying to find, but
I think, bro, you might have a rock in that shit, bro. Remember, he took this shit muddy, bro.
It's not the motor. The motor not making the noise. You know, that's the main thing. The motor not making. It's something within that muffler, and it's not loose. The muffler not loose. But that noise, it kind of.
What do you think is what do you think is the pop?
The misfire.
Yeah.
But that could be from it sitting so long. You gotta, you gotta ride it. You gotta ride it. It's been sitting like a year. You say, right?
Huh?
You said it's been sitting like a year. 2 years.
Probably mud stuff in the radiator and shit too.
Yeah, but
Probably burning it.
it's something in that muffler.
I think that's something in there, bro.
It's something in the muffler,
You
bro.
should have seen the way we take that. Hold on, when we get home, I'll take that off and then check inside of it.
Yeah, it's something going on inside there. Inside that muffler.
You got battery. Battery's good.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the battery. Yeah, you could, if you want, you could ride it if you want.
You got a little bit more air, or we gotta put it in to do that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna come right back out, bro.
What about that?
What?
The tire, it's gonna go right back flat.
Oh, damn, yeah, that shit went right back.
That's the only thing. Damn. Woo. Ain't got power.
I'm telling you, bro, you be doing that shit like nothing too. I said, bro, you gonna kill yourself.
Oh! That damn 700 got some power. Oh, oh shit! I could just tell he was ready to ride though. He man,
Yeah, he missed that shit, bro.
I could just tell cause I was like, yeah, he really want to ride like. It's just that tire though. I don't like that tire though. It's just the tire. That's the only, just this tire.
Yeah. You got this shit running right.
I wish, bro. I really wish this tire could hold air though.
Yeah. If I get some slime, you think we can put some in?
That's what I'm saying. If you get slime, it'll probably hold.
The slime though, you just gotta get the can and connect it in there.
Yeah, just press it in. It'll pull it up.
I'll do that.
You know, it take like 2 minutes.
Load it?
Yeah, it ride good.
Bad.
Got a lot of power. Oh, so you never? Oh, that's what you had. You didn't get the slime. You just got that. That's it.
Yeah, I just got this. I thought this was the cement. It is slime. It's slime.
Yeah,
I didn't know you meant the liquid one.
Oh yeah, it is slime.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about just patching kit, you know?
The liquid one, that shit.
And this is the one for tires,
Yeah.
not for.
I don't have any. I had that shit in my car, but not in the truck, bro. Now I would have someone take it.
Yeah, that liquid one. I could just put it in there and it would have held up.
I don't know if it's like
How does it ride with that shit, bro?
this. You
It is, yeah.
Aside from that bitch bad, bro. Huh?
he like, now I'm not gonna lie, with a tire punter, it'll give you, I know it'll ride way more.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. I thought like mechanically it feels good.
Damn.
It feels really good.
Yeah, you,
Wheelie.
huh?
Wheelie, let me get a
You
video.
with it?
But you don't trust the tire.
It's really, yeah, it's the tire though. I'm not gonna lie. I'd rather the tire be pumped up.
Okay, I told you.
That's why I told you, like,
We're gonna bring it back. Hey, you bring it back. You can ride at home.
that's why I told you if you brought the slime, I'm gonna do that right now for you. I'm gonna put it in there and pump it up. But this not the right one.
Yeah, I don't know if that slime is, I'm assuming it's temporary maybe.
Nah, that shit holds
Nah,
it.
it'll hold it. Nah, it'll hold. It'll hold. Yeah.
It's a sealant, bro. It's a sealant.
Yeah, it'll hold
They
it.
use that shit on cars. Think about that shit.
Yeah, I know. They put it on the top.
I'm trying to think though. There's not an AutoZone around here.
It'll never go flat again. You put the slime in it.
Good point.
Yeah, it's gonna stay up. That's the only thing, just the tire.
Yeah, I mean, like, when I used to work at Walmart, like the auto center at Walmart.
Yeah.
Like, we would patch it. They want like a proper patch, and patch it from the inside.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This is a proper, but you have to take the tire off. This proper. This proper now. I'm not.
Exactly.
I agree with you on
I
that.
have to take that shit off. You know?
This gonna hold. This gonna guarantee to hold.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm with you on that. You know, it's just you have to just just take the
Yeah,
tire
it's a
off.
lot more than just
The liquid more.
This shit's so smooth, bro. Compared to my shit, I can never move my shit like that.
Yeah, his shit like
He got those knobby ass tires.
Oh, yeah.
Off-road.
just for off road.
It's so heavy too.
Yeah, this one here is it pretty much roll like real good, real easy.
Hey.
But to be sitting 2 years though, it run good though.
For it to sit 2 years, it's running good, man. So what'd you do to it?
Man, you know I all around everything. Valves, check the valves, fuel pump, spark plug, oil, coolant.
Okay.
You know, I run around.
Replace anything?
Well, you know, I did my thing. I did the valve adjustment and stuff, but you know, we did the fuel pump and all that.
Okay. Yeah, the fuel pump. I know that for sure. That had to be done.
Yeah, bro. It's just crazy to me they charge that much for a damn fuel pump though. I'm still on that a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
Crazy, bro.
$6.50.
Manny, you're talking about $6.50.
Yeah, bro.
Well, he first quoted me. He said $7.30. I want to say he said.
Hold on, he said 730.
He said $7.30.
That's almost $1,000 just for a
And then
fuel
I
pump,
was
bro.
like $7.30.
Just for a fuel pump.
Then he was like, yeah, but with the discount, it'll be $6.50. You know, I was like, well,
Like an
that's when
$80.
So I called you. I was like, damn, I think I have to. But then when I pulled up, they tried to hit me with that $7.30 again. Yeah, they had me on like ready to pay. I was like, nah, you're tripping.
Bro,
They be waxing at Broward, bro.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
They tapped on
But for Reba doing that. For me, personally.
Yeah, Reba is more, you know, you can work with them a little more. Broward just, it's top dollar.
Reba said $6.50.
Yeah, top dollar.
I called Reba, it said $6.52, and I had to wait for it to get here.
Oh, but you gotta wait.
Yeah.
But Broward had it.
With the 730 right away, though. They said 650 right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the guy over the phone, he said $7.30, but $6.50 with a discount.
I know, at Reba, what do you
Oh,
tell you?
Reba, yeah, straight up.
650.
$6.50.
Oh, so he
No
said
bullshit.
730.
See?
Yeah.
It's a difference. That's a difference.
Because anybody else would be like, okay, 7:30. Some people would be like, all right, 7:30, all right, fine, you know. And if you don't speak up, I mean,
That's what I'm saying. You spoke up. I know you spoke up.
Okay.
You're like, hold up now. You just said 650, you know.
yeah.
But some people might, he goes to 730. So it's kind of like, he put his little flavor on top a little bit to me.
Yeah, that's probably, the extra is probably his.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He put a little $80 on top for him.
Yeah. You ride it, Manny?
Oh, you know how to ride? I know you.
I don't know how to ride gears, bro.
You don't know how to ride gears?
Nah, you gonna learn on this, though.
I've learned once or twice, bro, but like in an open field in North Carolina. Not in this shit. I'm gonna hit somebody in this shit.
Oh yeah, this is, people can't drive. A lot of people can't drive down here, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, no,
A lot of people, bro. But I thought you already know how to switch gears, and now I'm like, damn, you know how to ride?
Nah,
So-
it's switch over, bro.
Cause
I'm gonna learn though, and I'm gonna get one though.
we get a dirt bike, two-stroke.
Oh yeah. The dirt bike different, yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'm trying to.
Dirt bike's different, bro.
Woo! I was this close to learning how to like properly wheelie on the
On a dirt bike?
600, on the 600. You know,
The sport bike.
Yeah, sport bike. It's
Okay.
a bigger bike. You know, I was getting
Bro, I
it.
wish I would've seen you
I was
really
getting it. No, bro, I snapped, bro. If I would've kept doing it, I would've learned, bro.
Hey, bro, the sport bike.
How heavy is this thing? Like,
Pretty heavy bike, man.
Yeah,
oh no, that shit's still heavy.
that's a man,
Heavy,
yeah.
man. It's a big ass bike. Look at it.
Fucking 700,
Big ass bike.
like a sport bike motor.
Big engine.
But I'm not gonna lie, it's a good bike though. I like this bike. I like this bike.
Yeah.
It's a good bike.
Fast.
shit's
I
fast,
forgot how
bro.
fucking fast it is.
Yeah, you got a quick right there.
Oh, that was just 2 gears. I didn't even hit third.
I just really wish that damn tire, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not. That's the bro. It's just the tire.
I would probably drop it home.
That's what I'm saying. It's just if that tire was good, we'll be.
That shit hauls ass. I'm surprised you even went that fast with that tire like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that tire.
Feel like a little...
It leans a little, pulls to that right a little bit. But I'm not gonna lie, like, yeah, if you want the little lag to go away, just a power commander. And you know, if you like how quiet it is, you can just leave the pipe. Or
I'll definitely, especially now that it's fucking rattling, I'm definitely.
Yeah, bro, it's something in the muffler.
Probably can take all the fucking stickers they put on it. They did all of that, bro.
Hey, this bike used to be burgundy or red.
Yeah, that burgundy.
I looked it up.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
special
That
edition.
Exactly.
And what?
That's what it was. Yes, sir. It was a special edition.
Damn.
That burgundy red, beautiful, bro.
I was just gonna say this bike was beautiful before they did that.
Beautiful, bro. Then they fucked it up. But they made their money, but you know.
But yeah, this bike is not what. That's not how it's supposed to look, though. That's
Let's see, like the ribs, everything that's aftermarket, they did.
the handlebars.
Everything that's aftermarket, they did.
Yeah, cause if you had the regular handlebars, the key thing would have went on more easier.
Sure.
They put up some big aftermarket handlebars.
I don't know.
Rentals.
Like, they put those on sport bikes too.
Yeah, man, your handlebars wild on there, like. But you still know your bike though, so
Yeah, I mean.
you can't change. Like, if somebody know their bike, you can't change stuff, certain things, bro.
know what it is. Nah, but it's running right, bro. Got it running good.
So what you gonna hit the trails this week? Or
Yeah, well, he's heading out, so I'll probably hit the trails alone.
Yeah, I'll be
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's what I'm saying. This shit sucks, bro. It's just, hey.
So you live from you live out of town?
No, I live down here, but I'm going to Tennessee, though.
Oh, like for vacation?
Yeah, vacation, bro. Yeah.
Damn.
Damn, if I would have known you would have got this bitch, I would have just stayed. We would have went to Orlando already.
You could have taught him.
I'm not gonna lie though, I didn't think you were gonna come through though, bro. I mean, I knew you were gonna fix it.
Bruh.
A whole week is clutch right there.
That's why when he kept he was like, yeah, I really want to ride. I say, fuck it, I'm just gonna get him out of the way real quick, bro. Cause he really wanted to ride, bro. I
After
swear
2
to God.
years, you know, you get anxious, but you want to get on that shit and go.
And I could just tell he was anxious, cause he was like every day, damn, it's good. I was like, oh yeah. I said, let
What
me
do
just.
you need, bro? What are you missing, bro? What do you need, you know?
Anything you need, bro. Yeah, the same, like within like a couple hours, I have the fuel pump. I think.
Bro.
Fuel pump.
Yeah, I think you like the first one that ever like jump to that part, a expensive part at that,
Hey.
a $650 part, and went there and got it directly. Some people have to wait like till next week, or
Figure out a deal somewhere, save a couple dollars,
That shit is expensive though, bro.
Typically, like, that's...
Yeah.
Man, that's like buying that shit for a car.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah,
I would've told you.
bro, that's like a fucking rear end for a car, bro. Fucking crazy transmission job.
650 with no warranty, bro.
Oh, that was on the online one, right?
Oh, with this one, bro. I went over there after I paid for it. I was like, how long is the warranty?
Yeah, cause you did tell me, you say you thought they had warranty, right?
Yeah, it would make the most sense.
Oh,
you know what
shit.
I mean?
So they didn't have warranty.
So he was like, after I already paid for it, I was like, so how long is the warranty? He was like, oh, we don't have warranty for any electrical component, electrical part. What the fuck?
So if you bought a bad, like say the fuel pump was bad and you bought it brand new, so he went warranty, that wouldn't be a warranty.
I don't know about that. I don't know if there'd be like, I don't know if they have that much ethics to where there'd be like, traded, but nah, if I were to go back now, like let's say if it were to go bad, they're not taking it back.
It'll be over with, like.
That's it. I bought what I bought.
And that was the only fuel pump they had installed. Like, that was the last one, bro. I'm not gonna.
One that they had on the shelf.
You were lucky, bro.
Yeah, I got lucky in that sense,
Yeah. Bro, that don't happen a lot. That's
Reba quoted like a week, at least a week for it to get
a
here.
week. Oh yeah, you couldn't do that. You wanted to ride this week. You want to ride what? Oh, hold up. 2 more days, Saturday?
Saturday.
Yeah.
I'll be out there.
Yeah, cause you told me though. You said, yeah, I really want to ride. I say, yeah. Then when you were like, yeah, whatever it needs, just let me. I say, yeah, he's serious. Like, you're not just talking.
Nah, bro, like, needed the bike, bro. Needed the bike. Been sitting for too long, Now I'm gonna clean it up, Maybe I'll look into some, like the original.
Yeah, the plastics, bro. Yeah, bro.
Make it look pretty again, change the exhaust. It looks like shit right now, bro. I would never guess in 2019. I wouldn't guess.
That's why I had to look into it. And when I seen it, like, it was really a 2019 special edition, I say, damn, this bike used to look beautiful. I say, this bike used to look beautiful. With them original plastics? Shit, plus clean.
Fire, bro. So good.
They just put it, I just put it together just to ride it, I guess.
Yeah, and I might be mistaken, but I think the rims are, I don't know about the rims either. either they fucked them up really bad or maybe they're different ones. I don't know.
Yeah, cause I seen the rims used to the rims were like more cleaner on the 2019s.
So what year is this? It was a Raptor 700?
Yeah,
Raptor 700.
2019.
I forgot what the original body was.
Man, the original body is like a totally different bike, bro.
Pretty, bro. It's a pretty ass bike.
It's just crazy how people destroy your stuff when if it gets stolen.
Yeah, like, you know, you would think they'd like keep that clean ass look and be out here stunting with that clean.
They don't care. They just want to.
They flipped it basically. They made money on it.
They probably sold your old plastics.
Exactly what they did. I can't think of anything else they did.
That's what I'm saying.
Can't think of anything else. Maybe they put it in their bike. Maybe I don't know.
What color was that?
Like a burgundy red.
Like with the frame color.
Pretty burgundy red, like. And you see that thing still idling good, everything.
It was like that.
Yeah.
That shit was way cleaner, bro.
Yeah,
That was it right there.
Exactly what it was.
Whew, that was it, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, that
I know you out here, B.
Damn, they really did fuck that up though, bro.
Yeah, they did, bro. That's like a totally different bike.
Yeah, bro.
Totally different bike.
Two-tone is that whole, they had a single tone, now they went and like did some crazy ass shit to it.
They did like 3 different tones on here, bro. White,
This shit
black.
was bro, straight up just two-tone, bro. Burgundy and black.
Yeah, I know you probably gonna, end up getting some the original plastics if you want to.
Get original plastic. Clean it up, see how it looks cleaned up. If anything, maybe powder coat the frame, maybe.
Damn.
You know?
No, I'll try to look for the original plastic.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the original plastics look better.
Expensive, bro. I looked into it. eBay.
Like $1,200?
No, $750.
Oh, $750.
$750 for the original plastics on eBay.
And that's just for plastics, bro. That's just for plastics. $750 just for plastics.
No mechanical into it, none of it. It's just aesthetic.
That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Just for some plastic fenders.
Crazy, bro. But I'm glad at least they didn't, like, they kept the shocks, kept the tires, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Mostly kept everything like pretty.
I'm hoping it's the same engine.
Oh yeah, yeah. I ain't even thinking like that.
Bro, if they're really good, like mechanic, let's say if you were to catch a bike, bro, you could easily whip out the fucking motor, put in another beat up fucking 700.
Just swap everything around.
Swap all that shit out. Stay with the new one, put the old one.
This shit don't lag or anything like that. Brad's been sitting there just fooling us.
Hey, I swear, that's what I'm saying, bro. You got it. This is a good bike though. Except for like them changing the plastics, the motor and everything is good.
No, that's just
It's solid.
Idling good too.
It would have been cut off. It would have
cut off, yeah.
Let me know if you. I don't know if I probably need a specific exhaust for this bike. I don't think anything else probably fits.
like.
We can make it fit, maybe.
What you mean, like aftermarket?
Yeah, like I want to put like a nice exhaust on it.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie, FMF, bro.
Like FMF specifically.
Yeah, a Pro Circuit.
This is expensive though.
They are, bro. That's the only thing. The plastic 750, fucking FMF another.
I don't know.
These bikes cost like cars, bro. I'm not gonna lie. These bikes be like cars,
I
bro.
wonder if anyone's making them do exhaust too.
Oh, dual is off.
So exhaust would be fire too.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's possible, but
if you can make that work, now I'm not gonna lie.
different headers maybe that fucking separates wide.
Probably like this. I'm not gonna lie. That's a good question.
Right, like pull out the header back there, have it split maybe right here.
Oh yeah.
That's
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This shit a little crazy with two mufflers, bro. And it'll sound real aggressive too.
how's the oil, bro?
No, I'm not gonna lie. The oil was good. The oil good. Oil coolant. The main thing is everything is like it's solid. Like you can ride this bike home right now.
Yeah.
You can ride it home and back.
Stopping at AutoZone first.
I know it's just the tire, dog. It's just the tire, bro. And it's crazy. All 3 tires are perfect. It's just that one tire. I couldn't believe that when that one tire just went flat.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it.
You need that, B?
Oh no, I'm still holding this in. My fault. Yeah, I'm still.
Hey,
I don't know.
I can tell you want cash, bro.
Well, I don't have Zelle.
I got cash, bro.
You got cash?
Yeah, I got it.
How much cash you need, bro? Now just tell you.
Oh shit, this guy almost hit with it down for this TRX.
He's here?
He almost here. Yeah, you could. I guess ride it. Yeah, he gonna turn right in here. bike got a lot of power. A lot of power.
That's crazy. For a bike that little that has 700, bro.